Welcome to the Python, Creating a GUI video. In this module, you will learn about creating a graphical user interface or GUI, using Python. After going through this module, you will be able to explain GUI concepts in Python, identify GUI modules in Python, implement a GUI in Python, and identify various Kinter widgets. Like other high-level languages, such as Java and C++, Python also comes with a good library support for GUI programming. GUI programming in Python involves the use of some built-in elements, such as buttons, radio buttons, text fields, drop-down lists, etc. These elements, also known as widgets, exist in Python as classes, and a GUI program uses the instances of these classes. There are 4 modules in Python that support GUI programming. One of them is Kinter, which is also the standard toolkit. Creating a GUI application using Kinter is an easy task. All you need to do is import the Kinter module, and then create the GUI application main window, add one or more widgets to the GUI application, and enter the main event loop to take action against each event triggered by the user. The steps to create a GUI using Kinter are: import the Kinter module into the Python program by writing from Kinter import *, or simply import Kinter. Create the main window for the GUI. Add widgets to the window. Wait for the user to give input, that is, enter the main loop. The Kinter module in Python provides various controls or components in the form of widget classes that are used to create a graphical user interface. These components or controls are called widgets. The widgets used in a GUI are instances of the widget classes. Some commonly used widgets are buttons, labels and text fields, or text boxes. The table shown here provides the list of all the widget classes in the Kinter module, along with their description. Here are some more widget classes that you need to familiarize yourself with to create a GUI. Layout means the way a graphical user interface window appears on the screen. It is the arrangement of various widgets on the GUI window. The Kinter module provides 3 layout managers to arrange widgets on the GUI window. However, these widgets can never be mixed in the same master window. They are Pack Layout Manager, Grid Layout Manager, and Place Layout Manager. Pack Layout Manager. This manager is the simplest of the 3 managers and arranges the widgets relative to each other. It, however, has limited functionalities as compared to the other 2 managers. The Grid Layout Manager arranges the widgets in a 2-dimensional table that consists of several rows and columns. The table acts as a template for the widgets to be placed into. A widget, for example, can be positioned in the 4th row and 3rd column. The grid layout is accessed by using the grid method. Thus, using the grid layout means that the programmer specifies the row and column number where he or she needs the widget to be placed in the root window. The Place Layout or Geometry Manager arranges the widgets of the GUI at specific positions that are provided by the programmer as absolute values. The Place method is used to access this layout manager. This method takes certain options such as X, Y, width, etc. that describe the positioning and size of the widget. In this program, a list containing language names is created and added to the text option of the button in the while loop that creates one button in each iteration. The forecolor and the background color of the buttons are set randomly using randRange method of the random module. Thus, the foreground and background colors will be different every time this program is executed. Now, let's save and execute the program. Select File, and then Save. Give a name, and save it by clicking the Save button. To execute, select Run, and then choose Run Module, or simply press the F5 key. You will see buttons in different colors as the output. Every time you execute the program, different colored buttons will be generated. In this program, 3 button clicks are handled using Handler 1, Handler 2, and Handler 3 methods. These methods are called by specifying them in the command option of the button, so that they may be called when the event takes place, which, in this case, is a button click. Here, Handler 1 method handles the white button, Handler 2 is for the orange button, and Handler 3 for the red one. Whenever a button is clicked, the corresponding button color is shown on the console. The summary of this video tutorial on creating a GUI using Python is displayed on the screen. I will pause for a few seconds to allow you to read it. Internalize this information and apply it to master the information. Thanks for watching the video. Let us move ahead with next video.